Here is a demo of BlueCell being used for a nesting solution for one of our clients. In this application, not only do we pull parts from their Insight database, we get the machining from their FXM files associated with those parts as well. So to do that, we use what we call data link to set up our import template. Here we have one specified for the Insight database. We piggyback off the stored procedure that you guys already have in place to get the parts query of the parts group that you want to see per job. We turn that query into a view, and then we can map, as you see here, to the various columns in BlueCell. We can bring in any information you want, any information you already have. For this customer, they're grouping by the ALG ID. In past installations, we've also done PRD ID. So as you can see, it's fully custom in however you need to do it. Once we have our import template set up, you can see we have a few sheets here. We have our machine set up. The only thing we're missing are our parts. Now what I've done, I've set up this script. What this will do is it'll now run the import template we set up via data link. We can insert our ALG ID that we want to import our parts for. It'll pull those again directly from the database. Go ahead and give our job a name here. And not only did it pull the parts from the database, you can see here in our list we have FXM locations, so we've also pulled in all the machining involved for each individual part. Now that we have our parts list, let's go ahead and up the quantity just a little bit. We can optimize. Now we see the nests. Now we can go to our post-processor configuration. As you can see here, we have several for various panel saws and routers. I'm going to go ahead and select the rover for this particular client. That's what they are posting to. In here we actually have a profile configuration. So from Insight, this profile column maps to what is coming out of your FXM files in Insight. Here you can use a formula which is fully customizable to use any information on your parts to derive a tool. For instance, this one is using material. If it contains mel 1/4, it uses 204. If it is MDF 1/4, it uses 311. If there's no formula, it'll simply use the tool number you've given it here. So in this case, profile 1063 will actually use tool number 137 on the machine. That way you can set it up to be different per machine if you would like, and you're not tied to exactly what's coming out of Insight. So now let's go ahead and post-process this optimization. We have demo 5. Again, this customer is using rovers, so I will go ahead and open up BSolid and import one of my files. Here you can see the actual shapes of the parts, so we're not just limited to rectangles. We can do any shape out there, whatever comes in from Insight. Here you see the pattern in BlueCell and the pattern in BSolid, along with all the machining, our drill holes, our dados, everything you need for your part. And we can go ahead and simulate that as well. So now you can see that the parts are being cut out as well as the machining being put in. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Thank you.